Welcome to the channel. Boy, it look difficult on Jayden side, me nah lie. As you know, Jayden ex Ashley exposed him in one of the wickedest way. Ashley showed images and video footage of Jayden cuddling in a bed, sleeping like a baby at Ashley's Airbnb. Also, phone conversations of Jayden asking Ashley to send location so he can pull up. Me nah lie, the basket exposed wicked. And Fabbi nah take this well. As it is currently, we're not even sure what gonna be Fabbi next move. Jayden believe it's over between them, by the way, but let's see. So Miss Triple, most persons know her as the TikTok guidance counselor. She called Jayden demanding answers as to why Jayden was in Ashley's bed at that Airbnb. Jayden tried to explain. He stated that Ashley was depressed and wanted some emotional and financial support, hence why he went there. But little did we know that Ashley had an ultimate plan all along to get back at Jayden, at the cost of some pum-pum, of course. But make we watch the video and react to Jayden trying to explain himself after being exposed.
Ross!
Yes.
Are you on him one day?
Yeah.
I say I'm not give bun so early. Well, I did get never mean me not give bun. Me not give bun. I don't sleep. Me not give bun.
Stop take if you want joke. Tap it. You better serious up right now and explain what the fuck is going on. What all of this, Jayden?
If I know your ball, so it makes sense. Me explain.
Listen, you know, say if it's Jayden, I will. Jayden.
Where you want more?
What you they do over there in a bed?
Not even me even know.
What you mean you don't know?
Remember. You know, as Miss Triple, me think Miss Triple, now I go test my blood cell and see if she drug me. I swear, not even me, no. She can't have a company life and tell us we do nothing.
It no matter if you don't do nothing or not, why you're over there. You cause them an embarrassment. And the gun, everything what she come out with today, Jayden, and you cause it.
Yeah, me get the bullet and me take your gun. True, Miss Triple. Miss Triple, you say, but it just make she just stand on the street and dead.
So what you try to tell me, say she call you for help?
She call me for help. I swear for my life, God can't come kill me now.
What kind of help she call you for?
Miss Triple, this a girl I never have nowhere to go. You see it? This a girl I never have no money. You see it? Me not in no lie, bro. Wanna feel like me a lie, bro?
So she never have no money, none at all, and she call you for money.
No money. Miss Triple, remember so she don't know. Remember so she don't have nobody at Jamaica, you know. Me alone, she know at Jamaica, you know.
So, but Jayden, you never you never left her with $4,000 already. So how comes now it is your responsibility to go over there and help her? If you help somebody, Jayden, you can't send them the money, you can't drop off the money, somebody can't drop off the money. When you're helping somebody with money, you have to give it to them in the bed.
Miss Triple,
No, I mean, if you get it together and be very for real and be very serious. When you give somebody and help them with money, how you reach in the bed?
I not just help with money, emotional support, because this a girl that ain't go kill her. Sorry, this a girl that ain't go commit suicide. What if you do? Make she commit suicide and I hear say, Miss Triple.
Not like how she have all of the proof, say, uno did together or uno together. Where's the proof say I help you, did I help her?
No, Miss Triple. Me and her not together. All that, Miss Triple, I'm telling you, all of this, what me did that do to fishy, a fishy go home. Cause me can't just tell her, say, if I go home and she go home. Me have to try nice her if I go home, but no, she not go home. TJ I tell me on the phone, so me can't go, police station go report her and say, this girl should go. Me no know about them thing there, bro. Me need that, bro. Me need that tell no lie. I swear for my life, bro. If me did have a mother right now, I swear for my mother life.
Alright, so you go over there for help her. Fine, we never did it. You go over there for help her. We hold that. How you reach in at the bed?
That the thing. As me say, I did. Miss Shipper.
Yeah, just how you reach in at the bed.
Miss Shipper, me don't know how me reach in the need, you know. Miss Shipper, and plus things first, the girl I did pan her reds. You see it. So if una think say we do nothing, we not do nothing. Like me I tell her say I set up. She set me up.
So you never know I set up before you go there?
No, Miss Triple, this a girl that literally not have no money because she come to me and cry. I cry, when I go there now, I cry, she a cry now. And Miss Triple, the girl hugged me up for one good 15 minutes of cry.
But you see the difference now, she have proof, you have none. Where is yours?
Yo, 9 o'clock.
Hold on.
What is 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock now.
Yeah, dog, we have a match.
No gloves.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you I pray already, dog.
Have gloves?
Eh? Yeah, me have gloves, brother. But I'm gonna show you I pray, dog.
No man, I Miss Triple, I want to know how I'm going. They ready?
Me over here, bro.
They ready? You ready?
And at 9 o'clock yet.
What time?
I 8:56.
Alright. Tell him 9 o'clock.
They must have me a public Jayden, me shame and on me. This a public humiliation. Public humiliation. They must stop me at me don't know how long me go.
I understand.
Are you make them shame me girl, you know? Are you make the girl embarrassed, you know? So me don't know how this all work out. Cause I know me can't understand what you tell me say. Cause you say she need help. And you say she trick you into it. But me still not understand how you. So you not have a mind on your own then.
With what?
So how Ashley trick you now? How she trick you?
I think she lower me in, you know. So she need help. You see it?
No, but alright, fine. So you could have drop off the money and go home.
When me tell her she did want jump off of the bridge.
Oh, God Almighty.
9 o'clock now. 9 o'clock now.
Wait, 2 minutes to 9. Oh, you have your suitcase.
Eh?
Oh, you have her suitcase.
Because me did ask her if me can borrow it. You know, I'ma go over there. You see it? Because me a help her, she a help me. Miss Triple, me no want Ashley no Miss Triple.
But if you know want Ashley, Jayden, and you keep on there, go there to Ashley at some point. It kind of unbelievable.
Well, the
You
plan
can't want somebody and then go into somebody's. Me not understand.
well, the plan was to nice her if she go home. That was the plan, but it backfire. You look like Swiss them ready. Hold on there, Miss Triple. More help us slime and come back and resume. Yeah? Take a look a break. You look like you see it.